At Philips, we normally test our vacuum cleaners in a laboratory. Hi, I'm Rob, and this is no normal vacuum cleaner. This is the Philips PowerPro Ultimate. Powerful. How powerful, you ask? Well, I've invited a few friends over to help me demonstrate. Like. Now that's a lot of dust. Welcome to the ultimate torture test. Most vacuum cleaners have a power switch on their body. So does the PowerPro Ultimate. But unlike most vacuum cleaners, it also has a power switch on its handle. Turn it on, and its PowerCyclone 7 motor and TriActiveMax nozzle pick up dust from carpets with incredible ease. And not just carpets, hard floors as well. And thank you, Olga. Perfect. It also has side brushes that pick up dust from the corners. The PowerPro Ultimate has smart accessories so that you can even clean those hard-to-reach spots.